unboxing video of the tree collar. It does come in a box with a handle, so it's going to be great for storage. It does come taped up, so you may need a pair of scissors or just pop it like I'm going to. But inside, so we're just going to pull it out of the box. It comes in this plastic piece, which you can feel. Oh, it's super soft. It has that beautiful gold sequin snowflakes with the sparkled fur trim. Now let's put it together. So it does come with instructions in the box, packing box. You open the box, you take out the sheets, you snap them together and assemble them one by one, and then we're going to finish with the tree collar on top. And they literally just snap into place. You gotta use a little force and not too much. So I have them all snapped together, and the cover does have some Velcro, so it kind of makes it easy to put on. I just slid it on and it fits perfectly. Now let's put this on our tree. So I have my tree collar put on my tree. This is definitely a larger sized tree collar. My tree's only 4 feet tall, so it is on the bigger side for this size tree. So if you have a 6.5, 7 foot tree, I think it's gonna be perfect for that. But it is still beautiful. It is so soft. And if you're like me and you have a Roomba, the Roomba is not going to take away your tree skirt because you have a tree collar.